Welcome back to Amazon FBA Sourcing Success Guide. And in this video, we're going to be discussing United States, the state government, and police auctions. Now, although these items will typically come in large quantities, you can do good deals with government auctions. There are certain websites that work specifically with these government auctions, and we'll take a look at them now. Now, you're now looking at policeauctions.com, which pretty much has auctions of things that have been seized by police. And this is actually a portal site that connects to police auctions around both the United States and in some cases around the world. So you'll typically be linked through to the actual site where the auction is actually taking place, but they do consolidate all of the auctions and make them available to those who come to their site. There is a free version as well as a paid version. Next site that we'll look at here is called SeizedPropertyAuctions.com. Once again, this is more of a portal site. You'll actually find not only those listings, but you'll actually link through to a place where the auction is actually taking place, or the site that actually houses the auction. But it's a good starting place so that you can find out about other government auctions where you can find surplus goods. There's actually the United States government surplus, and that can be found on governmentliquidation.com or govliquidation.com. And this site will actually have the actual item that's being auctioned. Now, once again, you're probably looking at hard to find items. You're probably looking at items that are going to be in bulk, but you will find from time to time some auctions that have a high number of things, such as computers, such as laptops, such as accessories, where you can actually get them and have them in large numbers and then move them into position to sell on Amazon FBA. There's the site Bid for Assets, and once again, this is a portal site that connects through to government sites that have that actually have both bank-owned things as well as surplus goods and goods and services. There's a website usmarshals.gov. And these are recoveries and seizures of U.S. Marshals around the United States. Once again, the number of times where there's actually inventory here is pretty rare, but you can find hard to find items that you can sell as one of a kind on Amazon FBA. And then there's the GS Auctions website, where you can actually find surplus information or surplus goods that you can actually sell on Amazon FBA. So as you start to look at some of these websites, you are going to have to kind of sift through to find where you're going to have inventory. But if you can find a one-of-a-kind item that's going to give you a high margin, high dollar amount, then that's the one that you probably want to go and bid on, remembering all the other rules that we talked about in the other auction video. We don't want to overbid in a way that's going to keep you from making your 200% markup. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.